Hi, welcome back to the Whimsy Stamps channel. Today we are showing you this product reveal. This die set is called the Revealers 1, and there are two different die cuts in this set. You can either bend them apart or you can use some wire cutters to snip them, and you can create different types of background images or die cuts for your card. The first one is this kind of wonky mountain. It creates two different die cuts. So you have one that looks more like a mountain and it cuts out the other side like a valley, and you can use these as different parts of your cards. The second one is more of a windy road, so you can use this to create depth onto your card, either like a road going behind a mountain or tree, or you could also use it as smoke. I think it would be really cool coming out of a chimney of a house. And these two dies create so many different opportunities for your projects. Here I use that mountain looking revealer die on my Shallow card along with the new Under the Sea stamp set. And I used it to hide my No See Kinetic dies to create an interactive Slimline card. If you'd like to see how this card was put together, hop on over to my YouTube channel with the link down below. If you'd like to see the new products released today, go ahead and use those links down in the description. Join us over on our social media to see more inspiration of this new release. Bye!